our 72-inch bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 71 inches. Depth, 29 inches. Overall height, we have 53.5 inches tall. Measurement for the bottom stainless steel base, from floor to the top, we have 17.5 inches tall. Coming to the back of the bakery case will be dual slide doors, and included will be 3 shelves. 3 of the shelves, first, second, and bottom, can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference. And please note, for the first, second, and bottom shelf, the depth will be different for each. Measurements for the first shelf will include 9.5 inches. Measurement for the second shelf will be 11.25 inches. And for the bottom, we have at least 15 inches. Measurements for the length of the frame holding the shelves will be 54.5 inches long. Included will be black coated shelves that must be installed for the first, second, and bottom frame of the bakery case. Beneath each frame holding the shelves will be LED strips that will illuminate your products and display your goods. So the LED strips will be located on the first bottom, second bottom, and lower bottom frame. 110-120 voltage plug. And coming to the back will be your temperature control, along with your power and light switches. And coming to the bottom right corner will be your ETL certification with the technical information for this bakery case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.